Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting right now? Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and connect its USB power. Once done, switch your TV to that HDMI input so you see the Chromecast welcome screen. Make sure your phone or laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. This is how devices find each other. If you haven't installed the Google Home app, do that now. Open it to begin setup. This step links device and network so casting will work reliably. Open Google Home and tap the plus icon, then set up device and new device to let the app scan for Chromecast. When you see the setup code on TV, confirm it on your phone so you know you're pairing the correct unit. Choose the room and select your Wi-Fi network, entering the password. This connects Chromecast to the internet. Sign into your Google account and grant necessary permissions so apps can discover the device. This is why casting icons will appear later. To cast, open a compatible app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. Playback should begin on the TV. You control play, pause, and volume from your device, or use Google Home for grouped audio. This separation keeps TV free for video while your phone handles controls. When finished, tap Stop Casting or disconnect from the device in the app. If something goes wrong, restart the router and Chromecast power, check Wi-Fi details, and retry setup. Most issues resolve with a reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.